Let me take a look. I see a game controller for a PlayStation 5 gaming console.
Hey there, welcome to my first look at the Rabbit R1 AI assistant. Let's dive straight into its features. First up, I tested the AI image recognition. I took a picture of my PS5 controller, and within seconds, the Rabbit accurately identified it. Pretty impressive. Next, I wanted to see how it handles a bit of brain work. I showed it a post-it note with a math equation. The Rabbit snapped a picture, and after a brief pause, it solved the equation. This could be a real lifesaver for students or anyone needing quick calculations. For a bit of fun, I asked the Rabbit to create a picture of a robotic rabbit.
I successfully generated your images of a robotic rabbit.
Using Midjourney, it generated some fantastic images. Here are 4 high-quality robot rabbits, each one unique and detailed, perfect for those who love a bit of AI creativity. Finally, I tested the music playback feature. After linking my Apple Music account, I asked the Rabbit to play my drum and bass playlist. It responded quickly, displaying the album cover and allowing me to scroll through the tracks. I even tested the pause and play function with the side button, which worked flawlessly. My only small gripe is the lack of quick access to volume control, but overall, it's a solid performance. So that's my initial experience with the Rabbit R1. It's got some promising features, and I'm looking forward to seeing more AI advancements in future updates. Check out AI Ultra Art on X to see more AI innovations.